Hello and welcome to BIM360basics.com. Let's say you've just set up a project and you're ready to start inviting members into the project, people that are going to work on the project with you. How do you do that? Well, to start, you need to be on the project admin screen. To do that, you'll click the module selector and then project admin. You can see I've already done that. Next, I'll click the members tab and then simply click add. The first person I'm going to add is Paula White. Let's say Paula works for my company and I'm serving as the architect and she's going to be the mechanical engineer for the project, and we both, again, work for the same company. To add her in, I'm just going to type her email address. Her name pops up on the list and I'll just click select. As I said, Paula works for the same company that I do, Epic Architects, and her role is mechanical engineer. Once I've got all that filled in, I'll click Add to Project. Now, another thing I have to do with Paula is choose which services she has access to. I can make her a project administrator if I want. I can give her access to Insight, document management, or design collaboration. And there are more choices depending on which BIM 360 services you're subscribed to. In Paula's case, I want to make sure she has document management access and design collaboration access because I want to be able to collaborate with her. I want to be able to do work sharing with her in Revit. I don't really want to make her a project admin. For now, I'm going to leave that role to myself. The next person I want to add is Tom Anderson. So I'll start by entering Tom's email address. And notice his name pops up. That's because I've added him before. But even though Tom's email address has the same domain as mine or as Paula's, let's pretend that Tom works for a different company. So when I click select for Tom, the company that Tom works for, Tom is going to serve as the structural engineer on this project. So I'm going to say that Tom works for Madrigal Engineers, and he's going to serve as the structural engineer. But it's important to note that Tom works for a different company. That's going to become important later on when we talk about BIM 360 design and teams and work sharing and that sort of thing. So go ahead and click Add to Project. And again, I want to make sure Tom has the right access to the different services. Tom is going to have access to document management and also design collaboration. So I've added two people, Paula White, who is on my team, works for my company. We're going to be sharing more readily. And then I've got Tom, who works for an external consultant, and the sharing structure is going to be a little different. Of course, I could add as many members as I want to the project, give them different roles. I can make some project admins if I want. I can give them access to different services. It's just as easy as typing in their email address, providing some information about them, and that's all there is to it. So hopefully that helps you understand what's involved with adding members to your project. Thanks for visiting BIM 360 Basics. Please keep checking back to BIM360basics.com or the BIM 360 Basics YouTube channel for more tutorials, tips, and tricks.